Why are you so upset?
I don't like her.
You don't like her? You didn't think she was pretty?
No.
You didn't think she had pretty blue eyes?
No.
Why are you so angry?
Because she's not good. She does bad.
Why is she bad?
Because she was bad to me.
Why was she bad to you? What did she do?
She sticked her tongue at me and cheated and lied.
And cheated and lied? What, about what? What did she lie about?
Well, when I was not playing with her, she was going to tag me, and that's cheating.
Oh, and that's worth getting upset about, you think? That's worth crying over?
And she's so, I'm not going to see her again.
I think you like her, Brendan.
No! I don't!
Better quit yelling.
No!
Her daddy thinks she likes you.
No!